Kia ora. Now, you may have heard the saying, bad luck comes in threes. Yeah, I firmly believe that. But in my most recent episode, bad luck came in fours. Let's do it for episode 20. So I arrived at the hive just to do some checks and add some more Varroa treatment. I managed to knock the lid off my smoker. That's one. Oh dear. Anything else want to go wrong today? Crikey. Okay, I thought. Can't be any worse than this. Haha. I found out my queen was dead. That's two. Now looking at the hive, there's a few more dead bees out the front, so hopefully they're still alive. Oh shit. My queen's dead. Could it get any worse than that? Not really, apart from managing to bog down the car in the mud. That's three. And it came as a four-piece. When I was unbogging my car from the mud, I managed to write off my smoker. That's four. Okay, so that was fun getting that out. But you know what? That's nothing compared to running over my goddamn smoker! Oh, you've got to laugh, haven't you? So there's your four things that went just a little bit wrong. Try beekeeping, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Yeah, it is fun. I'm kidding. Shit happens. See you next time. Rest in peace, Your Highness, and thank you for your service. Damn.